Hi everyone, I'm Molly with Echo Park Paper. Today, I'm so excited to share a closer look at our Grease Classic Bundle. All of our classic bundles include a collection kit, solids pack, ephemera, and a 6x6 paper pad. At the heart of the collection is our 12x12 collection kit. This kit includes 2 each of the 6 double-sided pattern papers. Perfect for scrapbooking dream vacations, sightseeing adventures, and memories made abroad, this collection is designed to help you tell stories that feel inspiring, unforgettable, and full of wanderlust. Also included is a 12x12 element sticker sheet. Our coordinating solids packs are designed to perfectly match the color and design of the pattern papers. The patterns and elements in this paper pad have been perfectly scaled down, making them ideal for all your card making projects. With 34 pieces of ephemera, just imagine the layouts you could create.